Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Willie Jai once again. Today is gonna be a video how to fix your iPhone 6 Plus, 6S, iPhone 6, 7 Plus, 7, iPhone 6 and up. That's all I'm gonna do. Alright, if your iPhone won't turn on, or I got white lines flinging, like white and black, it's a black string, or something like that. As you see, my phone is on, but my phone had this problem like 3 times before. I'm gonna show you 3 ways on how to fix it. So first way is you hold on to the power button and the home button for like 15 to 30 seconds to the home until the Apple button pop up. So as you can see, I could get inside my phone. I'm just demonstrating for y'all. I'm just waiting for my phone to reboot. So you try this on. Right now I got the 6X Plus. You try on the iPhone 6, the 6 Plus, the 6S, the 6X Plus, the 7, the 7 Plus, even the iPhone 5S, 5, 5C, 5. Yeah. So my phone reboot. Then I'm gonna show you step 2. If your phone didn't work the first step, this is step 2. So you're gonna hold down the power button for 3 seconds, then press the home button until it come on. Hold up. Alright. So 1, 2, 3. Then press the home button. Wait until the Apple thing pop up. So it'll pop up. So after this come back on, I'm gonna show you step 3. Now step 3 always worked for me. It always worked for me. Step 3 always worked for me. Step 3 about to come on real soon. Some people should be cool with step 1 or step 2. I don't think some people use step 3, but step 3 for my phone it always worked for my phone. My phone taking a while to reboot. Like I said, it just happened to me like 10 minutes ago, so I'm just doing a video on how to fix it. My phone wouldn't turn on. The white lines and black lines pop on my phone. I fixed it by doing these steps. So, step 3 is sometimes like the light thing back here. You're gonna press down hard. You're gonna press down hard near the camera. You see the camera thing? You're gonna press down hard near the camera. You're gonna press down hard near the camera, and that's how your phone should turn on. So, like, comment, subscribe, and repost, and tag people who having this problem to watch my video, cause this do work. You gotta press down real hard, cause it's like it's like a light back here that sometimes you get messed up on. You gotta press down there real hard. So give this video a thumbs up if it works for your phone. If it don't, this will save you a lot of money, so you won't go to the shop and have to get the whole screen repaired. So yeah, I just share y'all my 3 tricks on how to fix the problem. If it worked for y'all, thumbs up. Comment if it didn't work or if it do work. If it comment didn't work, I probably will help you on that. So comment. Make sure you comment so y'all can tell me if it worked or not. And if it didn't work, comment what try we had, and I would make another video on more steps. So like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Alright.